Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jaytal and today we are here at Brigade Residency, a project at World Trade Center by Brigade Group, and this project is located in Pirangude, Chennai. So today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the tower, the residency's tower. And on the ground floor, you will be getting their marketing office as well. And these are the other residential tower with the WTC tower, the World Trade Center commercial tower. But before starting, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So now let's start with a project overview. This project will be constructed on total 5.5 acres of land parcel with 3 residential towers. Now we'll be focusing upon the tower Nebula. So this tower is of 2 basement ground plus 13 floors, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so basically this project is exactly located on OMR main road in Pirangude, Chennai. So let me tell you that this is the OMR main road. And this road over this side will take you towards Turtle Park, and on the opposite side towards, so this road will take you towards Thiruipakam. Now about the further connectivity, so this project is exactly located beside the WTC commercial tower and 300 meters away from the Apollo Hospital. Nearest upcoming metro station is 150 meters with American International School of Chennai is 3 kilometers away from the project. Now coming to the amenities part, so this project provides you 30 plus world-class amenities. Like of you can check out, this is the clubhouse and swimming pool which you'll be getting on the rooftop, garden area, kids play area, multi-purpose hall with the spa area and many more. Now coming to the super built up area, but before proceeding further, let me show you the tower. So this is the tower we are focusing upon, the tower Nebula, and here you'll be getting 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residencies. So 1 BHK is 984 square feet. 2 BHK is 1465 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So project booking windows are open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual flats as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of the residential project, that is WTC Residential of Tower Nebula, which is located in Pirangude by Brigade Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.